All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another quick video for you today. I figured we should talk about something that has really been at the forefront of a lot of market discussions. And of course, that is AI related, but more specifically, I wanted to talk about what a data center is. In the traditional computing sense, data centers have been essentially large warehouses filled with servers that provide memory and cloud storage services. However, today, in this AI era or this AI environment, data centers have shifted ever so slightly. In today's environment, a data center operates much more like a token factory. So hold on to that thought about tokens. We'll come back to this in just a second. Hopefully there's an image that kind of pops up somewhere on the screen here, but I want you to imagine a data center that requires tremendous amounts of energy. So you have energy coming in one door. Inside that data center, you have things like microchips, memory, optical networking, heating, cooling. So think of that as the guts of the data center. Again, energy comes in, you've got all these picks and shovels or the guts of the data center combined with a ton of complicated math, and then what comes out the other end are tokens. So let's have a conversation on tokens. What are tokens? Tokens are simply units of output for AI. So when you ask ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini a question, you're burning tokens. When these LLMs are thinking of answers and ultimately provide you with an answer, they're also burning tokens. LLMs run on tokens. Data centers are factories that produce these tokens. This is why data centers have been so important. This is why hundreds of billions of dollars are being spent to build these.